Nature-based solutions and tech-based removals are often seen as either-or, but the smartest companies are combining both. Forests, soil carbon, and mangroves offer co-benefits, biodiversity, water protection, local jobs. But they also face limits: land availability, permanence, measurement challenges. That's where tech comes in. Biochar, direct air capture, enhanced weathering. These approaches offer durability and scalability, but they need time and investment to mature. A hybrid carbon portfolio balances near-term action with long-term certainty. It's how companies meet science-based targets and build real resilience. Want to design a carbon strategy that's future-proof and finance-ready? Let's talk.